Combining Microsoft Teams online classroom sessions with Fusion is both simple and effective. To add a Teams session to Fusion, go to the Create button in the left menu, click on the Teams icon on the right, and paste in the link to the Teams session, and click Continue. You then have the opportunity to add your own file name and description. And when you're happy with that, click Continue. This Teams session has now been dropped into My Files area, and you can see that the title I put in is the description of the file, which is really helpful to let everyone know when the session is. I can then add this file to my clipboard and drop it into the class that I want to use it with. So I go to my classes, and I go into my class, go to the clipboard, and add that file. My students are now able to come here and click on this file to join the session. I've also created a homework session, and in the description I've put in the details of the lesson, and in this example I want the students to read a document and join the Teams session. So I'm going to attach the document and the Teams session into the resources section here. I add them both in the same way. Click on Add from VLE and add the file. And I'll do the same with the document. And that's my homework ready for my students. For task lists, I can do a similar thing. I create the task list and then add my items. And that's it, I've created the task list for my students. So let's log in as a student and see what their experience is. Okay, so I've logged in as the student Georgia. The first thing is she can go to her class. And there's the Teams session ready for her to join. And if she clicks on that, it takes her to this page where she has a choice about how she launches the session. There's also a pop-up on my PC which launches Microsoft Teams. If I go back to my dashboard, Georgia can also see that she has some new homework, which is her English lesson on Friday. She can come in here, read the document, and click to join the session. And she also has task lists, and again you can see she has a new task list. She can click into that, read the document, and join the lesson. So that's how to integrate Microsoft Teams sessions in Fusion.